Want to listen to your favorite music anytime, anywhere? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download the Spotify app on your computer. It's super easy to do and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please take a second to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and lets me keep making simple step-by-step tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump in. To download the Spotify app on your PC, start by going down to the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Inside the search box, type Store, and from the results, click on Microsoft Store. It should appear at the top under Best Match. Once the Microsoft Store opens, look for the search bar at the top of the window. Click into it and type Spotify, then hit Enter on your keyboard. You'll now see the official Spotify app appear in the results, usually as the first one listed. Click on it to open the apps page. On this page, you'll see a Get button in blue. Go ahead and click on that. The Microsoft Store will now begin downloading and installing the Spotify app on your computer. The download shouldn't take long, usually just a minute or two depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, the blue button will change to Open. Click Open to launch Spotify right away. Now, if you're new to Spotify, you can create a free account directly in the app by selecting the sign up option. It only takes a moment and you can start listening to millions of songs, albums, and podcasts completely free. If you already have a Spotify account, click on the Log In button instead. This will open a browser window where you can enter your account details. After logging in, Spotify will ask for permission to connect your account to the app. Simply click Continue to App and you'll be redirected back to Spotify with your account fully signed in. From here, you can explore all the features, browse playlists, create your own, discover new artists, or even download your favorite songs for offline listening if you have Spotify Premium. You can also adjust settings, change themes, and connect your account to other devices like your phone or smart speaker. And that's it. You now have the Spotify app installed on your computer, ready to use. If this quick tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this one. It really helps support the channel and keeps these tutorials coming. Thanks for watching, enjoy your music, and I'll see you in the next video.